divided by 3 plus 15 minus 7 times 2 squared. So, again, uunahin natin yung may mga parentheses, no? Dito we have 2. The 12 divided by 4 at saka yung 15 minus 7. So, that is 12 divided by 3, we have 4, plus 15 minus 7, this is 8. Then, times 2 square. Tama? And then, yung parenthesis ulit natin, we have 4 plus 8, this is 12, times 2 square. Yung 2 square dito, guys, ito ay 2 times 2. Okay, so that is 4. So we have 12 times 4, that is 48, no? Letter C. Yan, very good. Doon sa mga nakakuha. Okay?